Hi, I'm Brian from 360 Gearbox. Today I want to show you a general tour of our workshop. This is our receptionist area, and this is where we've got a good collection of broken gearbox parts. This is our workshop, and generally we'll have 50 gearboxes in here. A quality gearbox rebuild will take approximately 6 hours. This is our fitment bay. During the week it's full of four drives. A quality workshop will have a stack of second-hand parts. A good workshop will have a stack of changeover gear. All gearbox rebuilders should have quality kits in stock. Rebuilding gearboxes is dirty work, but they should end up as clean as this one. I'm Brian from 360 Gearboxes. Hope you've enjoyed the tour of our shop.